In this lecture, we're going to use LM Studio as a RESTful API. Now, what is a RESTful API? It's a way to make calls without using a user interface. In other words, if you have an Android app or iPhone app and you're developing it, you can easily make calls to the LM Studio in the background as a backend. And the reason why you would want to do that is that you can literally call prompts, and you can send a prompt and you can receive the text back directly from your app, or you can send an image from your app and you would receive the details or the description of that image. So first, open LM Studio if you haven't it open, and then go to the back arrows here, the double arrows. Make sure you have one of those models selected. I'm not going to use a vision model right now. I'm just going to use a simple text prompt model. I'm going to use this one, the bloke, to chat. Actually, let's use this one because it's only 2.87 gigs. It's a lot faster. So it's loading. There we go. Now that it's loaded, we're going to start the server. But before we start the server, let's take a look at what it says here. This is a local inference server, meaning that this runs on your machine here. By clicking on start, this will behave just like the OpenAI API. What does that mean? That means that the calls that we're going to make, they have the exact same signature as the call from OpenAI. Basically, you can literally swap the backend. Instead of you can use some code from the OpenAPI. So anything you can find from GitHub, let's say, that's supposed to target OpenAPI, you can target your local machine, which basically is free. So that's the great thing about it. All right, so as you can see, the server runs on the port 1234, but you can feel free to change that, but I'm not going to change that for now. Cross origin, meaning that can you do some calls from another server? For now, it's off. Request queuing on, leave the default for now and click on start server. All right, okay, it says that I don't have enough memory, and that might happen to you. That's because sometimes you have to restart because there's some kind of memory leaks in this specific version. I don't know if that's the case in yours, where if you don't eject them, then next thing you know, they still run in memory. So the easiest way to fix this is to literally restart your computer. And I'm going to do this right now. And so you'll see the next part where I'm going to click on start. So it's good to know that you see this error. All right.